Hello everyone, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to announce your calls in iOS 17 or any other iPhone or iOS devices. So without any further hesitation, let's get started. Firstly, you need to open your settings application, and when you're on your settings, then scroll down to your phone, which may be a little bit down, and click on your phone. Then click on announce calls. Mine is in never, but you can always keep on always or headphones and cards or headphones only. It depends on your preference. I'm keeping always here since I want the calls to announce always. Since the screen recording doesn't happen on your phone call, I was not able to record the announcing of the phone calls, but I assure you that turning the setting on will help you listen to your call announcement through names or whatever you have saved the person's name in your contact page. So I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's me, Elise, signing off.